Ecwid Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the platform and additional resources are provided in the description below. In this video, I'll give you a no-nonsense review of Ecwid for dropshipping, covering its features, strengths, weaknesses, and who it's best suited for. Let's get into it. Ecwid is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that allows you to add an online store to your existing website, social media, or marketplace. It's a flexible solution that integrates seamlessly with platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. For dropshipping, Ecwid connects with popular suppliers such as AliExpress, Printful, and Spocket, enabling you to easily import products, automate fulfillment, and manage your inventory directly from the dashboard. This makes Ecwid a strong contender for those looking to start dropshipping without building a completely new website. One of Ecwid's main strengths is its ease of use. The platform is designed to be user-friendly with a simple setup process and a straightforward dashboard. Even beginners can quickly set up their online store and start adding products. Additionally, Ecwid supports a variety of payment gateways, taxes, and shipping options, ensuring you can run a smooth dropshipping operation. Another advantage is Ecwid's multi-channel selling capabilities. You can sell on multiple platforms, including your website, Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, and eBay, all from one centralized dashboard. This allows you to reach a broader audience and streamline your business operations, which is a huge benefit for growing your dropshipping business. However, Ecwid does have some limitations. While it's perfect for small to medium-sized stores, it's not as feature-rich or scalable as other platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce. For more complex needs, such as advanced reporting or extensive customization, Ecwid might not be sufficient. Additionally, some advanced features are locked behind higher-tier plans, which can be pricey for smaller businesses. Who is Ecwid for? It's ideal for small businesses or entrepreneurs who already have a website and want to add a dropshipping store without starting from scratch. It's great for those who need a simple, multi-channel e-commerce solution and are looking for an affordable, easy-to-use platform. That's the full review of Ecwid for dropshipping. Straightforward and to the point. If you want to try Ecwid, check the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more e-commerce reviews.